To arm your system, tap the shield in the middle of the keypad. Home, Sleep, and Away will display. Home will arm the exterior and is best used for when you are home. Sleep will arm the exterior as well as some interior areas, but not bedroom areas. Away will arm the exterior and the entire interior. This is best used when you are away from the premises. Once an option is selected, the countdown will begin. If you need to stop the arming process, tap Enter Code to cancel. Enter your user code and the system will not arm. Tap Arm Instant to skip the countdown and instantly arm the system. To disarm, tap the shield in the middle of the keypad. Enter your user code. Your system is now disarmed. If you have any questions, contact us today.